Hey, Crypto Growth fam, how's it going? This is your host Shazib signing in. We're back with another XDC Network video, guys, and XDC is a global trade finance Leviathan. If you do not know about Leviathan, guys, have you read about Thomas Hobbes' Leviathan, the book? The ones who are acquainted with political science might know about it, might have heard about it, that a Leviathan is a sovereign with the utmost power, and XDC Network has utmost power in the global trade finance sector. It is the specialist and the master of global trade finance. We're going to be exploring that in this video, so make sure to stay tuned and watch till the end. It's going to be an interesting one. And folks, for those of you who are new to the channel, we primarily discuss utility coins. You guys can see which coins we usually discuss. We discuss these as well as other potential gems as well. So if you're interested, then do subscribe for regular videos and do not forget to hit that bell notification, guys. Let us begin first and foremost with the price of XDC at the time of the recording, guys. XDC Network is up 6.72% and it is priced at around $0.054884%. It has gone up from 0.051443. The volume has increased as well from 19 to 21 million. Here, check this out. If you look at the monthly chart, guys, let me show you this. It is going up to test this resistance over here, 0.056. And if it breaks this, guys, then it's all fireworks, because this is the place that this is a resistance. It would go on and test the 0.066 level. And if it breaks this, guys, then it would go back to 0.09, and I think it would break it, and at within a blink of an eye, we're going to be witnessing 0.10 for XDC Network, guys. Obviously, guys, XDC is one of the most legit coins out there, one of the best coins out there. I really like what XDC is doing. It is one of my favorite projects to cover, as well as the potential of it to grow in the future. Just $761 million market cap, guys. So this has room to grow to trillions, guys, to be very honest. ISO 20022 compliant. Let me show you a piece from Tokenizer. Looks like Swift's further on board with MLETR now. Few days ago, on December 5th, XDC co-founder Atul Kekare mentioned they're eager to work with Swift on TradeFin. So basically, just a few days ago, on December 5th, the XDC co-founder just mentioned that they want to work with Swift. And what happens? Today, Swift announces a completed POC on interoperability on an e-bill of lading, mentioning an API was utilized. So which that API is, guys? According to someone has written smells like QNT to me, then someone has written bruh, it's XDC. So yeah, check this out. Swift's EBL, interoperability, electronic bills of lading. If you do not know, it is a supply chain term. Bills of lading, we've made a video on bills of lading. Check that out if you're interested as well. BNY, Mellon, Deutsche Bank in electronic bill of lading, interoperability trial with Swift. Awesome, guys. XDC Network, I mean, they've just mentioned it, and after a few days, this happens. Banks need to be able to receive them electronically and transfer them. To do so with 9 separate platforms, a bank or anyone in the supply chain would need multiple EBL integrations. Swift is proposing that banks use their existing Swift connections and adopt a single API. Single API which connects everything, guys. So yeah, which will enable the transfer of bills of lading between different players in the supply chain. Awesome, guys. This is awesome. Swift being involved in e-money. This is awesome. And let me show you another piece, guys. This was from Naveed Ladani, December 7th, posted on Benzinga in a groundbreaking move. This basically article shows how XDC Network is the kingpin, the linchpin, and the king of global trade finance, guys. In a groundbreaking move, TradeFlow Capital, a prominent SME trade finance provider, successfully executed a digital transaction utilizing an e-bill of lading, raising liquidity against a 7-day shipment duration. The operation was made possible through the collaboration of key technology providers: XDC Trade Network, Propine, TradeFinex, and IOTA Plus. Only XDC is one of those that has a coin, and small investors can invest in the coin. It is a layer one. It has other projects built on it as well, like GLOBIANCE and Plugin PLI, amongst others, guys. Comtech Gold, which is tokenizing gold. So it is not just trade finance. This is a layer one, guys, that has so many different projects built on top of it. The recently released report by ICC UK shed light on the growing influence on the XDC network. Great. xinfin's XDC network creation became the first blockchain company to join the esteemed Global Trade Finance Distribution Initiative. Guys, it has joined we've talked about it yet time and again in 2021. Still, we talk about it because this is huge. It has joined the Global Trade Finance Distribution Initiative. Why would a coin that is not primed for success and a multi-billion or trillion even market cap be associated with such a huge company, guys? I mean, a company or a project that is doing so much, I mean, it is going to be huge, guys, to be very honest. Speaking about the significance of XDC Network, the chairman of the FinTech Committee at the International Trade and Finance stated that the network would facilitate bridging the $19 trillion trade finance asset class. Guys, check out what the market cap is at the moment, $757 million, and what market it is tapping into. Uh, I'm going to be showing you this as well. So stay tuned. $19 trillion trade finance, guys. $19 trillion is huge. It is like even if it achieves 1 to 2 trillion, guys, you're set for life. The people that are watching this video, if they invest and it reaches the price somewhere down the line, guys, it is generational wealth in the making. We remember our grandparents or forefathers investing in not investing in real estate at the time when real estate was very cheap, but now we're saying, yeah, real estate has gone. It has gone so. It has become so expensive that we cannot buy even a small piece of land. So this is the case of crypto, guys. The grandchildren are going to be telling us that why didn't you invest in projects such as XDC when you had the time? I mean, yeah, these are some of the safest bets in the market, highlighting XDC Network's prominence. The ICC and Trade Finance Global and World Trade Organization white paper periodic table featured TradeFinex, the platform's trade finance arm. Basically, it is rubbing shoulders with the World Trade Organization, WTO, Trade Finance Global, ICC. Guys, these are huge. I mean, this it doesn't get any bigger than this and more legit than this. So yeah, guys. The World Trade Organization further underscored the significance of TradeFinex and XDC in their 2020 book titled Blockchain and DLT in Trade. Where do we stand? World Trade Organization is basically the biggest organization out there, which is in relation to in relation to trade finance, guys. Uh, this financial order was made post World War II, guys. Basically, the talks happened in the midst of World War II in 1944. Since that time, this has become the global financial standard. Now we're going towards a new standard, guys, and projects like XDC Network are basically taking the finance one step ahead, a level above from where it has been functioning and maneuvering. It is ISO 20022 compliant as well. The banks and financial institutions are going to be ISO 20022 integrated in the year 2025 and beyond, November 2025 and beyond. Every financial institution is going to be running on these messaging standards, and XDC is well integrated in this messaging standard, guys. In my opinion, XDC has a great future. I saw this piece as well. I wanted to share this guy with you guys. Will XDC hit $100? The art I'm going to be disagreeing with this article because the reason they're giving, we think it's very unlikely for XDC to hit $100 is because that would imply a market capitalization of more than $1.2 trillion, assuming its current circulating supply. For context, it's saying that $1.2 trillion was Bitcoin's all-time high of $67,500. There comparing it with Ethereum as well, which is a much better comparison for XDC network due to its smart contract capabilities, and it peaked at a market capitalization of $558 billion during the 2021 market. So one would have to be extremely optimistic to predict that the market capitalization of XDC would ever become twice as large as Ethereum's historical peak. One thing that the article fails to realize is that the crypto market and the industry hasn't seen mass adoption, and it is going to be growing. Ethereum is also going to be growing much more than dollar 558 billion. It's going to be going to trillions, and in the upcoming bull run, in my opinion, it's going to be touching the trillions. And as far as the other projects like XDC Network is concerned, they are going to be following suit, guys. They're going to be following the prices of Ethereum, and the Ethereum is going to be following Bitcoin, and these coins are going to be following Ethereum. And I think in a few years, or one, two, or even one or two bull markets, I think in two bull markets, we can see hundreds of billion for XDC in two bull runs. If And I'm being conservative. There are people who are saying that XDC would hit trillions in the next bull run, in the next two bull runs, basically. Maybe 8 years down the line, 7 years, 8 years to 10 years, 7 to 10 years down the line, we're going to be seeing trillions. So there are different perspectives, but in my opinion, XDC is one of the few that I truly believe has the best potential, the best prediction to be hitting trillions, guys. In my opinion, do you agree with me or do you disagree with me? You guys can give your comments in the comment box below, guys, and initiate a discussion as well with the community. What do you think? Would XDC network hit trillions? This article suggests not, but what do you think? This was it for the video, guys. If you liked it, I truly believe that XDC is a Leviathan, global trade finance Leviathan. So if you like the video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. And if you're interested in any of these other coins as well, then make sure to hit the notification bell and subscribe as well for regular videos. Like I always say at the end, guys, until next time, stay blessed and stay tuned. Thank you very much, everyone.